look at this. It says, how many different ways can you arrange all these letters? Arrangement is synonymous to what? Permutation. Okay? It's permutation. Okay? Meaning arrangement. Permutation is what? Arrangement. So we are talking about arrange. That is M, I, M. Only two ways. What is the meaning of that? 2 factorial. Which is 2 multiplied by 1. Remember, factorial means, like this, factorial means 4, reduced by 1, 3, reduced by 1, 2, reduced by 1, 1. Then you multiply. That is the meaning of this factorial. So, 2 factorial is 2 multiplied by 1. Are you agree with me? This is 2. Without doing this, arranging it manually like this, with this mathematical understanding, I have 2. Okay? Just 2 factorial. What it means actually, this is what a shortcut I'm giving to you. This 2 factorial is a shortcut. What it actually means is we have 2 space to put MI. What should we put here? Either M or I. How many letters are competing for this position? 2. It means 2 letters are competing for 1 seat. 2 letters, they are competing for 1 position. Okay? Now, this. When 2 letters competed for this space, only 1 will win. When 1 wins, only 1 will remain. It means for this position, only 1 will compete for this 1 position. Which means 1 letter will be competing for only 1 position. Okay? This is the breakdown. But this is a shortcut, okay? I'm just trying to break it down for you. So this means what? 2 permutation 1. Remember, I did permutation in this channel. Go back to the video. Go and look for it. It means 2 permutation 1, remember, is equals to 2 factorial over 2 minus this one, then factorial. Okay? Which means 2 factorial over this minus this is what? 1. 1 factorial. What is 1 factorial? 1. Meaning 2 factorial. That was why I dropped here straight, because I have experience. But I am using this one to tell you how we came about this. I may not explain this one for this, Sweet, and Mississippi, because that will be long. So keep that at the back of your mind that it's like this. So me, if you also ask me to re-explain this, I can still tell you that MI, they are competing for these 2 seats. For this first one, I'll just say 2 factorial. 2 are competing for it. For this one, 1 will not remain. Only 1 will compete for it. Your next confusion is, but you just told me that this is 2 permutation 1. 1 permutation 1. They are the same. I want to ask you, when we solve for this 2 permutation 1, what did you have at the end of the day? Is it not 2 factorial, 2 factorial? I'm still jumping this step now. I'm jumping this step. For this second point, no need to waste my time. 1 permutation 1 is equal to 1. Which is equivalent to what? 1 factorial. 1 factorial. So therefore, the final answer you get, remember 2 factorial is 2. So 2 is here, 1 is here. This line you are seeing here now, it means times. That is 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2. Okay? At the end of the day, we are coming back to this place. 2 ways of arranging MI. Okay? We are coming back to that space now. 2 ways of arranging MI. But why did we use multiplication instead of plus? Because if you are going to form MI or IM, to form this MI is M and I, M and not or. It's not or. There is no choice. To form 2 letters or 2-letter word is and. M and I. Because in set theory, and is multiplication. Why or is plus. So the reason why I put multiplication here, this is just breaking down the what do you call the theory or the understanding behind the scene. But if you are in the example, just a 2 factorial. Okay, because here there is no repetition of letters. You get it now? Okay, good. Now it means that this one now is equal to 2. Now let's go for the second one. For this second one is MIS. If you want to solve this manually, it simply means M first IS. M first SI. You get it? Then S will now come. M I S will now come IM. Okay? Then I will also come to form MS. I will come SM. How many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? This is the way my father in the village will solve this question. Arranging the letters. But you, that is a mathematician, when you see there is no repetition, simply do 3 factorial. Or, if you want to follow the long process, 3 permutation 3. So 3 factorial is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 6. This also means 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial, which is 3 factorial over 0 factorial, which is 3 factorial over 1, because this is 1, which means 3 factorial. Back to this point, which is 6. There is no repetition. That is the reason why we went straight. So the answer here is 6. Now there is repetition. How many ways will you arrange this? Now we have 2 guys that are the same. You can't do this the way you did others. All you have to do, you simply do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factorial over how many repetitions we have? 2. Divide by 2 factorial. Which is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Because I saw this, I stopped. 2 factorial. This and this cancel. This multiplied by this is 12. It means the number of ways you can use this to form different letters is 12 times. The next thing you are asking me, why did you divide? Yes, you have to divide. Even this guy you are seeing here, there was a division. That is how many? 2 factorial. Right? How many M? 1 M. 1 factorial. How many I? 1 I. 1 factorial. What is 1 factorial? It's 1. 1 factorial. 1. 1 multiplied by 1. 1. 2 factorial over 1. At the end of the day, 2 factorial. That is the reason why we don't waste our time. So if you come back to this place now, although I do 2 factorial for this repetition, even this that appear once is 1 factorial. This that appear once is also 1 factorial. But I don't want to waste my time with 1 factorial because 1 factorial is 1. You get it? Good. So at the end of the day, you're going to have 12 here. The next question now is Mississippi. 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 Don't waste your time. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 factorial over. Look at M. How many M here? Only 1. So you want to put 1 factorial, okay, but you are wasting your time. No need for that. Look for the repetitions. For I, how many repetitions for I? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is over 4 factorial. Okay? What of this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factorial. Okay? What about P? 1, 2. 2 factorial. That is all. So now, you simply do what? 11 multiplied by 10, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 8, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 6, multiply by 5, multiply by 4 factorial. Why did you stop? Because I saw 4 here. So it means 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial. So this and this will cancel. So this one too, I can express them, this remaining one, because I know that this and this will cancel. I can express them as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Therefore this multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. All you need to do now, carry your calculator and solve this. I'm not going to do that for you. Whatever you have is the answer. Okay? So what you're going to do for me now, help me calculate this and drop your answer in the comment section. That is the permutation of suite, which you can also ask us how many ways can these letters be used to form different words. Okay? Thank you.